Okay, we got a severe thunderstorm watch just now. Sorry about that. Sorry. I am listening to AC/DC, yes. Come on. Yes! Missed it. Didn't miss it. Yes!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 299, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Boyd, Carter, Galena, and Lawrence, and the following counties in Ohio: Gallia, Lawrence, and Scioto, and the following counties in West Virginia: Cabell and Wayne. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Got another one.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh, cool. That was an EAS.
Now here is this morning's...
Cool. Didn't miss it. I was listening to AC/DC, doing my makeup, and then I got that. That's cool. If only I get a tornado watch, that would be so cool. Yep. Oh, sorry, my brush was in the way. Severe thunderstorm watch until 8 o'clock. 12:32 p.m., Monday, June 21st. So it was issued, we'll just say 2 minutes ago. So at 12:30. Alright. If you're new, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.